How to turn off Vanish mode in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, simply open the chat where the Vanish mode is currently enabled. Now here, simply swipe up on the chat and hold until you see the full circle animation. And once you release, Vanish mode will be turned off and your chat will return to normal. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off Vanish mode whenever you want. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.